Unlocking the secrets in your Social Security Disability Award letter. Now, as I've explained, you've won. You've gotten a notice of decision and you have gotten a notice of award. So let's unpack the rest of the secrets. Under secret number 2, there is a 5-month waiting period during which time you get no benefits. As a result, in the example I gave in the earlier video, if you were found to be disabled on February 1st, 2023, back to 2021, you're not going to be able to get benefits for January, February, March, April, May, and June. So your benefits are going to start July 1st, 2021. The Social Security Administration is going to send you a check for your back benefits or retroactive benefits for the period of time from July 1st, 2021 through February 1st, 2023. And from those retroactive benefits, your attorney or your representative is going to be paid a fee. Secret number 3. The Notice of Award letter will document the amount of money that was withheld from your retroactive benefits in which to pay your Social Security attorney or representative. The Social Security Administration is going to pay them directly, and you don't have to send your attorney any additional monies unless, of course, they are asking you to reimburse costs. Secret number 4. Now, the next secret in the Notice of Award deals with your entitlement to Medicare benefits. Under the Social Security rules, you become eligible for Medicare after you've satisfied the 5-month elimination period and you've gotten 24 months of Social Security disability benefits. So in the example, you would become Medicare eligible 24 months after July 1st, would be July 1st, 2023. Got it? Secret 5. The Notice of Award tells you the date on which your check is going to be issued every month. Now, that's important because you want to know when you're going to get your money. Secret number 6. The last secret in the Notice of Award deals with what's called a continuing disability review. The Social Security Administration is going to determine how long they anticipate you to be disabled. In your case, it's probably going to be scheduled for a CDR. And that CDR is going to make sure that you continue to meet the Social Security disability standards. Depending on the nature of your medical condition or disabling condition, you could be scheduled for a continuing review 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years out. Now, you can use that Notice of Award to roughly calculate when potentially you might be subject to a CDR. And you can also contact the Social Security Administration and ask them. It's important that you continue to get medical treatment to document your ongoing disability and your continued eligibility for Social Security disability benefits. Now, you know the 6 secrets. If you have any questions, call me at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.